Yay, we have got the costume. We have got the robot.
We have Woody and the robot.
The Woody, the robot, and...
We have Woody, robot, Buzz Lightyear, and the gun.
The gun.
Which this fits me, so I'm Buzz Lightyear. And did you know which one's the mini version of me? This is the mini version. When I was 1 year old. Guys, we opened these. The robot shoots the fire ammo. Ammo is bullets. And this can open and close. And the
What is that?
other arm does this. When you press it, opens. When you press it, it opens. When you let go, close. Open, close, open, close.
What else have you got, Armand?
We have
What is the other light buzz that you have got?
We have Buzz Lightyear.
What does it have? What does the buttons do?
They just do nothing. Landing.
Is that the jet that's landing?
Yeah. Going for takeoff. Landing again with the wings. So this arm, when you press this red button, this goes up like that.
It's a robot, buzzer robot, right?
And this, when you press this red, it fires.
It fires what?
The laser gun is ready. This is Woody. Hi guys.
And who's the next guy? What's his name?
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear. And Armand is Buzz Light too, right? Is that your Halloween costume, Armand? You want to wear it on Halloween?
Yeah. Yee-hoo. Hey Woody. Hello Buzz Lightyear. The robot is here to battle you. Pew! 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 Uh-oh, it looks like it's stuck. I've got a bomb. And I'm gonna let it go. Uh-oh. I'm gonna bend a little. Okay. I better run away before I'm gonna shoot you. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. I'm gonna shoot you.
No, don't shoot us. Don't shoot us. Your gun is so powerful. Let's run away, Woody. Let's run away. Oopsie, we're stuck.
I'm gonna be right here in this cave. Me too. I'm gonna be right behind you.
Thank goodness we're safe.
Huh? Where did they go? They're in the cave. I see them. And fourth one. And this is me. They're all me.
Is that a tiny version of you?
Yeah, that one's tiny. Toy Story 4. I can't wait to watch the movie. That's a secret. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And please smash that like button. Bye bye.